Amazon product research is the hardest part, and a lot of sellers get hung up there. But the most important step, but how do you find a product that does 10, 20, 30, or even $40,000, $50,000 per month? I'm gonna share with you in this video exactly what I'm using to find winning products. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back. Those of you are my subscribers. My name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller, mentor, and coach. Right here on this YouTube channel, I release weekly videos covering everything Amazon, e-commerce, and NFTs. If you enjoy those types of videos, do me a favor right now. Head on down and press subscribe. I can see each and every one of you who take just a minute to press subscribe, and I appreciate each of you. Also, give me a like on this video to help support my channel and bring you more helpful videos like this one. My job is to help educate, teach, impact as many lives as possible, sharing and documenting my journey, how I went from a struggling broke drug addict 8.5 years ago to building, running, and owning multiple six-figure online businesses. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, well, let's go over Amazon product research. So where would I go if I'm looking for a new product, which I do all the time? Here are the two places how I would go and find new products to sell. So what type of products are we looking for? Right now, guys, for 2023, the best products and types of products and categories to sell in are the following: home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, tools and home improvement, and some patio, lawn, and garden items are also really good. You know, there are some good products in arts, crafts, and sewing and baby products, but those are pretty competitive. So the three top, if I had to narrow it down to just my three favorite categories that I've made the most money in: home and kitchen, or kitchen and dining, patio, lawn, and garden, tools, and home improvement. Those are the ones that I would look in, but can be good products in other categories like beauty and personal care. If you wanted to build a skincare or cosmetic brand, you know, baby products can be all right. But let me go into how to find products, how to validate that they are good products, and then the next steps after that. So guys, if you're looking for brand new products, where I would start is TikTok. TikTok is working incredibly well right now for finding good products. So how do you do this? Well, you're just going to go to TikTok. You probably will need to log in to get full access to everything, or create an account if you don't have a TikTok account already. You're missing out if you don't. But I see so many good product ideas when I'm on TikTok, and here's how you can look them up. So you go onto TikTok and you can type in, for example, I typed in hashtag Amazon Home or hashtag Amazon Finds. Then I sort by top videos, and then you can sort. You can also enter some other filters like most views. You can also use the TikTok Ads Manager. So the TikTok Ads Manager, you can log in there and actually look for the top performing product ads, product video ads that have performed the best on TikTok, got the most engagement. But I like to just start with hashtag Amazon Finds or hashtag Amazon Home or hashtag Amazon Finds 2023. And then we just have to go through here and look for some potential products. So let me start here. I was going through this influencer's page, and I came across this interesting vase. So it was called well, there was two types of vases that she was highlighting. One was called a viral purse vase, so it's a purse vase. The other one was a book vase. I think it was this one, shaped like a book. So let me show those. So once you get a product idea, guys, what's the next step? Well, we just need to go over to Amazon. We need to type in book vase, right? We go on to Amazon.com, type in book vase, and then here's what I look at to validate the product. Number one, how many results are there? Well, there's 70,000 results for book vase. I like there to be 1,000 results or less. So that's very high. So I already am a little bit suspicious of this product because there's so many results. 70,000 is 69,000 results too many, but we can run the numbers and check. But I do like 1,000 results or less because that gives me an idea of how many other sellers are out there. And it'll be dependent based on the keyword that you type in on how many results you get. So make sure you are typing in the shortest keyword or one of the best keywords that you can. And then, you know, half the products, so if it says total results 1,000, well, half the products are going to be related, and then half the products are probably going to be similar. So there's roughly 300 to 500 other sellers. I like there to be, you know, less than 500 other sellers, or around 1,000 results or less, 500 sellers or less. And I like to check the competing products inside Cerebro on the keywords. I like the competing products to be 1,000, 2,000 or less. So that's important that you check for how many other sellers and products and results are out there. And then can you be one of the first 30 sellers or at least the first 50 sellers with that exact product on Amazon. But let's analyze this one together, guys. So Bookface, well, it's looking good. We have 87,000 people a month searching Bookface. Is the total market revenue at least 350,000 or more? It's almost there. How about price point? Are the majority of these selling for $20 and higher? I actually like $30 and higher. Yes, yes, almost. Yes, 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 yes. No, but the majority here are around $20, $25 and higher. And let's look at the revenue. So you see here that it's a new product because there's 0 reviews, 0 reviews, 0 reviews, 0, 0, 0. That means all these sellers just started. Like they just came in, they have no reviews. The data is not, there's not enough sales history for Helium 10 to even estimate their sales and revenue. So all I can look at is this one who has 57 reviews and this one who has 32 reviews. Are they making enough money? Yes. Are they making $5,000 or more? Yes. Actually, with only 57 reviews, they're making $12,000 a month. That's very good. Even better, a US-based seller, not a China seller, US seller here, only 32 reviews, making nearly $25,000 per month, 1,000 sales per month. So I like the top sellers on page 1 or position 5 through 15, these sellers here to all be making like at least 300 sales or more and at least 5,000 revenue or more, and at least half of these have around 350 reviews or less. Now, what's my call on this product? Would I consider launching this product? Well, one issue I see is the China. There's only one US seller here, guys. The rest is China, 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 Amazon, China, 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 China. So because this is mostly dominated by Chinese sellers, I would not launch this product. So although the revenue and reviews looks very good, price is pretty good, sales is pretty good, it wouldn't be too expensive of a product to source. You know, I can get this vase for $3 to $5. I can make a unique design on the side, and make $25,000 a month with 30 reviews, which takes only a month or two to get 32 reviews. But I would need to monitor this market a little longer because I don't like that it's all China here. Because the issue with that, guys, is this could be the manufacturer who's actually making this product in China is also selling it. Or there could be drop shipping going on here, which is against Amazon's terms of service. Don't do drop shipping on Amazon, but that could be going on here a little bit. So I would need to see sellers from any other country. I don't care where in the world they are, India, Australia, Europe, South America, it doesn't matter. I just want to see a couple other sellers outside of China come into this market, just 1 to 3 of them, and they start doing well. Then I would reconsider this product. But as of right now, because it's China dominated, because it's so new, I worry about that. Drop shipping, China, the manufacturer selling it, and there's just not too much data. The other problem is figuring out how to customize this product. The vase, yes, you can change the design on the side, but it may prove hard to customize this thing. And then finally is the total competition. It's got a lot of other sellers, and it's going to be very expensive to run PPC on this product because you're going to have to go after keywords with vase in them. And there's tens of thousands, in fact, 70,000 products with vases or similar type products, okay? So I'm going to take a pass on this one. If we go over to the other product I found, which was this purse vase, also interesting, right? 57 reviews, only takes a couple months, doing $50,000 per month. That's very good. Selling at $50, well, I can get this vase for $10, and then the FBA fees are 10, so my break-even price is $20 or $25. And I sell it for $50, I'm making $25 profit every sale, and they're making 1,000 sales a month. $50,000 in revenue. So while that's very enticing, and I do like the search volume is good, I like 2,000 search volume or more. I like at least 350,000 total revenue or more. I like the average prices to be $30 or higher, which they mostly all are. But the main issue here with this one is it's a newer product and China domination. But I do like this purse vase better than the book vase. And the reason is look at the results, much less results for purse vase. Well, under 1,000, we only have 696 for total results, which is good. And I like that I have more data. Do you see here, like I have data on all of these, which is much better than the other one where there was a lot of gaps. Like I didn't have much data. So I need data. I need to be able to validate the product. So out of the purse vase and the book vase, I do like the purse vase more. But again, it all comes back to that China domination going on here. I only have these 2 US sellers, and I don't have any data for them. So I would need to monitor this market a little longer to figure out, can I come in here and compete with these guys? The problem with China domination of the category or niche is they could decide one day, if they're the manufacturer, to cut this price to $29.99 or even $19.99, and then the other Chinese sellers do the same, and I'm left at having to sell this thing at $40 and they're at 20. And if I do sell it at $20, I'm breaking even, right? Or losing $5 per sale. So you can see here, it starts a price war. It can get very competitive. Also, if it's all China-based sellers like this, I notice a lot of hijacking going on and problems like that, okay? But again, you'd have to compete against the vase keywords, so probably not the best. Now, let's go back to TikTok, and I found another product, all right? So I found another one, hashtag Amazon Finds 2023. And it was one of the top videos up here. This thing, automatic mouthwash dispenser. So let's look at that. So I typed in automatic mouthwash dispenser, and you can see here, this one looks really good. So we have sellers US, we have sellers US, much better. And 17 reviews, just launched, making $3,700 a month. Price is a little low. This one's good. 300 reviews, making $25,000. 29 reviews, making $10,000. That's really good. So I like it's much bigger market too. 1.8 million. I like this product much better than the other one, automatic mouthwash dispenser. And then guys, use ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I went on to ChatGPT and I typed in, you are an Amazon whiz. And by the way, you can sign up for ChatGPT with just your email. It's free to use and it's a conversation tool. But I went on here. I said, ChatGPT, you are a product research whiz. You will help me find 10 high demand, low competition products I can sell on Amazon. And then it came back, guys, and of course, it said, look at the best sellers list, look at the movers and shakers list or the new release list, look for niche products, niche down, monitor social media trends, which we're doing with TikTok, etc., which is sort of helpful. And then it did come back with too competitive of a products, right? Bluetooth earbuds, no. Eco-friendly products, no. For the most part, portable blenders, too competitive. Baby clothing, no way, too competitive. Phone cases, too competitive. Beeswax wraps, saturated, no. Multi-purpose phone holders, no. Yoga mats, absolutely not. Too many other sellers. But I did like this one. Digital notepad with unique design. Well, let's look at that. Well, I looked at digital notepad. I've got almost 6,000 searches per month. It's 1.3 million for total revenue. Look at this. So we've got Remarkable, which is a big brand, doing $116,000 a month, US seller, with only 400 reviews. We've got this US seller with only 110 reviews, doing $102,000 a month. And we got this US seller, 45 reviews, doing $8,000 a month. So out of these 3 products, or 4 products, there are 3, book vase or purse vase, automatic mouthwash dispenser, and this digital notepad, I actually like this digital notepad the best. Based off the data, based off the price, based off total competition, only 1,000 results, big market revenue, good demand, and it's not China dominated. And I can definitely come in here and put together a really good digital notepad. And really, I can see myself, and you can want to be able to see yourself building a brand off of this one product. So you can launch accessories next, like digital planners. You could come out with an ebook version. You can do a physical, planner. Lots of ways to go with this. So you can see here, guys, 3 examples of product research, all found using TikTok. And then what do I look for as far as revenue, sales, and that kind of stuff. Use TikTok, use ChatGPT, and then helium-10 X-ray to validate. And the next steps after this, guys, would be to research more on these top sellers, look at their negative and positive reviews. By the way, you can also use ChatGPT to use the review insights tool from Helium-10, download the top reviews for this product, and then plug it into ChatGPT, and you can say, find me the top phrases in all those reviews. And that'll help you kind of with product design and putting your product together and how to kind of market or position your product in the market too. And then looking up the keywords would be next, guys. What are some of the top keywords? Do they have enough demand? How much competition is out there? And then doing some product design. So hiring somebody on Fiverr to help you with product design, or start putting together sketches and designs yourself using Canva and Photoshop, and then start reaching out to suppliers who can provide this digital ebook manufacturing. If you guys have any questions, leave those down below. Thank you so much for watching this product research video using TikTok, ChatGPT, and Helium 10. I'll see you on my next one.